Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit clips on TikTok. So go to the plus button and select a video. And then after that, you are going to select, adjust clips. You can also add filters here if you'd like to, like so. Go to adjust clips. Here you can split the clips and for instance delete the middle. You can also rotate your clips here. You can add your songs here, on sound, add sound. You can add your texts here. You can even add an overlay if you'd like. You can also sync a sound over here to your video. And you can then adjust it, move around the clips, I think, or maybe not. Oh, adjust the time with the song, I guess. I'm just going to then select save. And once you're done with everything, you're just going to select save. And that's pretty much how you can edit clips on TikTok. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!